Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate VW Connect ID for EV driver insights step by step clearly. To authenticate your VW Connect ID for EV driver insights, begin by ensuring your vehicle is parked safely. Next, locate your smartphone and download the We Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password to secure your account. After filling in your details, tap on the confirmation link sent to your email. Return to the app and log in using your newly created credentials. Now, select the option to link your vehicle to your account. You will need to enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, often found on your car's registration document. Once you've input the VIN, the app will prompt you to verify your identity. This may include entering a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. After successfully verifying your identity, the app will display your vehicle's information. Next, follow any additional prompts to complete the authentication process. Confirm that your vehicle is recognized and linked to your account. Once authenticated, you'll gain access to various driver insights and features. Explore these features to maximize your electric vehicle experience. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance. Remember to regularly check the app for updates and new insights. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated your VW Connect ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.